Hi friends, thanks for joining us on this new video of speech writing session. I'll teach you speech writing today. It is also one of the important questions of writing skill section of English language paper in CBSE syllabus. So in this video friends, I will tell you format of speech and some tips to write a good and effective speech. Friends, giving a speech and writing a speech are two different activities altogether. Giving a speech requires great language skills, great presentation, and way of speaking. And of course, you should have a good accent as well to deliver a wonderful speech to which makes your audience captivated throughout the event or throughout the entire speech, which requires great presentation. But writing a speech is totally a different activity altogether. But it is the base of a good speech, because if author writes a good speech with wonderful words, definitely a speech will be wonderful. So writing a speech is also an art which requires great knowledge, way of writing speech, and the way you introduce a topic. So we will learn all these things in this video. So let's begin. First, we will discuss the format of speech. In format of speech, you have to cover the following points. Let's discuss these points one by one. First of all, heading. First of all, the heading of the speech. Let's say, suppose you are preparing a speech on cleanliness or COVID-19. So your heading should be COVID-19. Write down the heading in the capital letter. Then opening line. Opening line of the speech should be very interesting, very catchy, and very attractive, so that the audience get attracted towards the speaker. So it should have. You can also write some quote, some slogan, and then you can start. So make your opening line of the speech very catchy and attractive and interesting as well. Next, body. Body should be well planned. You have to plan what are the points you are going to include in body section. You have to clear those points one by one with an example. Whatever point you are mentioning in the body, try to give the example. If you quote the point with the example, that would be easier for the audience to understand it. So it would be great if you write down the points with the example. That will help out the students or the audience to get your point easily. Next, most important points. You can underline some points for the speaker. If you want him to emphasize on some point, you can underline those important points, and it will be clear to the speaker, yes, these points should be emphasized and you should be elaborately done, so that audience understand the main motto, main object of the speech. Solution and concluding paragraph. So whatever questions you have raised in the speech, or whatever the doubts you have created in the body section of the speech, you have to conclude it. You have to give your solution also from your end to the audience, and then audience may accept it or not, that depends on them. But you, in concluding part, you can present a conclusion, so that people will understand, yes, this is the topic and this is the problem and this is the solution of this uh, topic. So you can present a solution in concluding part. You can end your speech with motivational quotes. That would be great, which will leave an impact on the audience or listeners. So these are the parts you have to mention in speech writing. So these are the 5 parts: heading, opening line, body, most important points, solution or concluding part, and then motivational quotes if you want to add. It's an optional part, but if you add it, that would be great. That would give the uh, it will be like icing on the cake. So if you write motivational quote, that would be great for the speaker to end the speech. So this is how you can write an effective speech. These are the parts of effective speech which you can apply. Now let's discuss some important tips to write a good and interesting speech. Use quotes at the beginning. Yes, I have already told you, you can in opening line you can use quotes, some slogans which will attract the audience, which will create interest in the audience to listen to your speech. So the author or the writer can start a speech with the quotes or interesting or motivational slogans. Write in paragraphs. You should write your speech in paragraphs so that the speaker or the speaker will understand how many paragraphs are there in the speech. You can clear points one by one in the form of paragraph. So it would be systematic also, or it will be nice to deliver a speech. Practice previous year's papers. Yes, you can take some previous year papers, read down the questions, and write some speeches on your end according to this format, the way I have given you. And if you write around 5-6 speeches, you will get an idea how to write a good speech. Read newspaper opinions and editorials. That will help you out to fetch good vocabulary, good words, and lots of informations as well, which you can mention in your speech writing. So if you read editorials and opinions of newspaper, that would be great. It will give you a vast knowledge about the topic, and it will enhance your vocab also, which will help you out to write an interesting speech with wonderful words. Personal opinions can be shared. If you have any personal opinion regarding the topic, you can share it. No issue in that. You can share it, but that should be correct. Please do confirm whatever the personal opinion you have, whatever the points you are given. Just try to confirm it and then you can mention. Presentation is very important. It should be well planned and systematic. Paragraphs should be justified and write down in a clean handwriting, so that there will be no mark cutting in the writing skills. Leave lines in between the paragraphs. Yes, if you finish off with the first paragraph, before starting the second paragraph, leave a line in between, so that one should understand there here the paragraph is opening and here the paragraph is closing. Word limit, grammar, spelling, you should take care all these things. Here I would like to suggest you, after writing a speech, just give a check to your speech. Read your speech and correct your grammatical and spelling mistakes, because in exams you don't have much time to correct your things. So just take a sec or 2 seconds, read your speech. You can correct your spelling mistakes and grammatical mistakes, and then you can proceed with next question. So this will, if you check your speech after writing it, so it will save your marks. Like evaluator will not cut your marks in spelling mistakes and grammar. And close a speech in a box. Yes, after writing the whole speech, after writing and closing it properly, and close a speech in a box, that will give a good look to your speech. So these are the some points you have to follow while writing a good speech. Let's have a recap. So there are 5 parts of speech. That is heading, that should be in capital letter. Opening line should start with quotes or slogans. Body, well planned, well systematic. Most important points should be underlined. Solution and concluding whatever the doubts you have raised in the speech, in the body of the speech. For that you have to mention the solutions and concluding part. And then it would be nice if you end your speech with motivational quotes or slogans that will leave a great impact on the memory of the evaluator, a person who is checking your paper. So it will help you out to get more marks. Then some points: use quotes at the beginning, write in the paragraph, write in the legible handwriting, check your grammatical and spelling mistakes, and then read your speech, right? Personally, you can share your personal opinions and at last enclose a speech in the box. So these are the points you have to follow while speech writing. So thank you very much friends for watching this video of speech writing. I'm sure you have liked these sessions of writing skills and all the topics are covered in the list. So do watch it. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get latest informations of videos on your screen or on your cell phones. Do share and subscribe this channel and share these videos with your friends and loved ones. If you have any doubt, if you have any queries, you can write down on comment section. I'll speak to you there. So have a nice day. Bye bye and happy learning.